A protected environment does one thing. It ensures that only people with the right privileges can deploy to it. Since deploy jobs can be raised by different users with different roles, it is important to protect specific environments, therefore preventing unauthorized people from affecting them. How to enable a protected environment? To enable it, let's click on My Project Settings, then select and click on CI/CD. Alright, this will open our CI/CD settings. I have different project settings here. We want to expand our protected environments one. I click on Expand, and as you can see here, I am given a choice to select the environment I want to protect and who will be able to deploy to this environment. In this project, I have 3 different environments available. Among these, I want to protect production and make sure that only certain people can deploy to it. I choose Production. Now, let's select who can deploy. I can choose specific roles or specific users. In this case, I want to use roles, so let's select the maintainers of this project. Once I am done with my selection, I click on Protect. Alright, that's it. Great! We have a protected environment, and only people with the maintainer role can deploy to it. This will ensure that no one else can affect this important environment.